Chapter 13, verses 4 to 8. Here, Apostle Paul says that love is kind, love is patient, love does not brag, love does not puff up, love does not rejoice in unrighteousness, love does not keep wrongdoings, love hopes all things, love believes all things, love endures all things. And in verse 8 it says that love never fails. Dave and Queenie, the Bible describes to us the true characters of love, and this is what kind of love that we truly celebrate this afternoon. This is not about a romantic love. And this is a kind of love that truly is going to bind both of you in marriage. I would like to congratulate both of you and acknowledge the presence of everyone present. Thank you so much for coming, for your time, for the effort, for Dave and Queenie. Do you want to stand up until the end of the ceremony or seek to find your refuge and find your comfort? Come on. Kung mamugos sa bulingkod mo, sa ako, mapugos ko kindog yun, including Dave and Queenie. Congratulations, Dave and Queenie, for such nice decision in your lives. That is your wisest decision in your life. I want to tell it to you. From now, you will decide a lot of things, but that decision to get married is the most important one. Why? Because there is only one decision in a lifetime to get married. Dave, kas aragyod ta magbinyo. Human mong adlaw, wa na gyud kay laing asawa, Dave, si Queenie ra gyud. Swerte na kay ka, Dave, ug napay laing Queenie sa imong kinabuhi. You only have one woman, and that is Queenie. Ma'am Queenie, you also have one man, and that is Dave. And you have only one wedding day, and that is today. That's why I can never question why you choose to be outside, suffering the the warm weather, when we can sit inside and feel the comfort of the air-conditioned units dito. Pero kay kasara mo lagi ng kasal, sige, ato magwantahon, karon raman eh. This is even better. 2 weeks ago, I also solemnized a marriage between two friends also. One is working in Ayas. So I was surprised when I arrived in autumn there in Mirafuentes. Stilan pagabot na ko, kabog na sulod, but they choose to have their marriage outside. 10 o'clock in the morning. That was the shortest marriage ceremony that I ever done. I usually solemnize marriage 1 to 2 hours, but that wedding day, only 5 minutes. Di maagwanta. Pero karon I can agwantize. This is the time I usually go biking to you know, alas 3 mo na akong ting bike. Diyan. I want to have a hot weather. You know, sunlight is good. Even wearing an eyeglass is bad. But, you know, pardon me if I do wear this afternoon because I just want to see very clearly Dave and Queenie.